A, and I could show you the tag there. So it's a mechanical keyboard and low profile. So, you know, if you're an old schooler or a gamer, you like to have, this is a key pulling tool to pull the keys off. So right away you just get the keyboard in a bag. This is a wired USB keyboard, and it is newer technology, USB-C. Okay, so what makes these unique is the way they nice, smooth, clicking keyboard. Behind here you get your USB, so it's a USB-A to USB-C. So you keep this plugged in all the time. This is a non-number pad keyboard, and it is RGB. Right. So let's go ahead and plug it in. All right. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Does this nice little color display startup sequence, and it's configurable. And I'm going to tell you right off the bat, the buttons light up really, really bright. If you're like me and you work in an office where you don't have a whole lot of light, this is beautifully bright. Very, very bright, and it's not that big. Here it is next to a standard keyboard. It's very sleek. And again, it's got nice clicky buttons, mechanical. So that's the keyboard, and I definitely like it. Like I said, no number pad, so you don't need it. I mean, mostly for gaming. So entry level, you know, mechanical gaming keyboard. So it's bouncing everything, but let me pause and do a little demo on the buttons here. So not even trying to, it doesn't click, it's more of a smooth motion. So it doesn't go click. There's no mechanical click like a snap or anything. It's more like the sound when you hit the bottom of the key. But I love that sound. This brings me back to my first days of using a computer. So that's the keyboard, guys. I just wanted to do a quick video showing, you know, basic functions of the RGB and what you'd expect. So thanks for watching, guys.